In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the subject line in Gmail 5 minutes. Gmail doesn't let you change the subject when you're replying to a message, but there's a simple built-in way to update it using Forward. This method lets you adjust the subject so your message is clearer, starts a fresh conversation, or stands out in someone's inbox. Start by opening Gmail in your browser and going to your inbox. Find the email whose subject you want to change and open it. This could be a thread that's gone off topic, a subject line that's too vague, or something you just want to reframe for clarity. Opening the original message ensures the content you're forwarding stays intact. Next, click Forward. You'll see a compose area appear with the original message quoted below. Forwarding is the key here because it unlocks the subject field, which replies "Don't do" by default. Now look for the small drop-down arrow in the compose header. It typically sits near the recipient area at the top of the forward. Click that arrow to reveal more options. From the list, choose Edit Subject. Gmail will switch the compose box into a full compose window with the subject line field active and editable. You can now type a new subject, keep it short, descriptive, and specific so the recipient understands exactly what the message is about. If the old subject began with "re" or "FWD", rewrite it to something clean and meaningful like "updated timeline for Q3 launch" or "meeting follow-up with next steps." Clear subjects improve open rates and make messages easier to find later. While you're here, add the recipient in the To field. If others need visibility, you can include them in CC, and if you want to keep someone informed discreetly, use BCC. Remember that forwarding sends along the original message content. If there's anything confidential or unnecessary in the quoted section, review it before sending. When everything looks good, click Send. Your email will go out with the new subject line, and because it's a forward, it starts a fresh thread on the recipient's side. That's helpful when you want to reset the conversation or make the topic crystal clear. To recap, open Gmail, open the email, click Forward, use the drop-down arrow to select Edit Subject, enter your new subject and recipient, and send. With this quick workflow, you can refine unclear topics, highlight urgency appropriately, and keep your conversations organized with minimal effort.